like and subscribe in the next 3.4 seconds, you'll get bad luck for the rest of your life. So make sure to like and subscribe. So hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we are gonna be showing you guys how to make an intro, or how to make an intro part 2. So yeah. Well, today we're not gonna actually do an intro. We're gonna do an outro today. Outro maker. You can use anything, but I'm gonna use Panzoid because like always I always use Panzoid, and that's the one thing I love to use. So yeah. So we're gonna go look there. So we're gonna go here, press this. Okay. Okay, so we have to look at it to see how it looks first. And I'm gonna have to take out the music in this so I don't get copyrighted. So yeah. Gimme! Bro, give me my paper!
The paper's right there, dumbass. You blind?
And don't curse. We're gonna look again over here. Okay. And also guys, if you guys play Fortnite, make sure to use my supporter creator code. Actually, don't use my supporter creator code. I'll tell you guys my supporter creator code on my next PS4 video. So first we're gonna go here, then we're gonna go to here, we're gonna go to video editor. I think that's what it is. Is it this? Nope, not this one. My bad. Go here, and then press creations. Okay. We're not gonna use any copyright ones, because I don't want to get copyright claimed. So guys, I'm gonna have to block this music out. Nope. That is copyright. I'm gonna have to cut the first bit out, but So we're gonna put that, but and if I get copyright claimed, I don't know why. Maybe because I'm too young to use to have a YouTube channel, but okay. We're not gonna use their music because, you know, I might get copyrighted. So yeah, pretty good. So that's the end of the video. So I hope you guys liked it. If you guys did, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications, like, and I'll see you guys all next time. Goodbye.